Make sure your iron is unplugged and cool. All you need for this job is pliers and a flathead screwdriver. Loosen the set screw that secures the tip. Unscrew the front nut. Unscrew the handle. Unscrew the power contact screws. Slightly bend the element leads outward. Depress terminal guard at finger slots to remove from element case. Tilt the iron on its side to remove the old element. Make sure the pin inside the case lines up with the slot in the element. Align the short element wire with the long wire on the terminal, and vice versa. Slightly bend the element leads to the sides to fit the terminal in. Squeeze the terminal guard and insert into the iron case. Make sure the terminal guard's locking ears snap into the housing. Replace the two screws that you removed from the terminal in the beginning, and join the two wires, those of the element leads and the wires on the terminal, together using the screws. Replace and tighten the front nut and the tip. Replace the handle, and you're finished.